So we're going to make a pair of simple earrings. Start with a headpin, thread a bead on, then using a pair of round nose pliers, and you can mark the jaw of the pliers with permanent marker pen so you always get nice consistent loop sizes. Grip your headpin just above the bead and then turn it away from you as far as it'll go, and then if you bend the tail over the top of the jaw as far as it'll go, and that gives you the majority of the loop. And then loosen the grip on the pliers and twist them round, and then push the tail underneath away from you until it comes out at a right angle like this. And then if you want to leave your loop there, you just trim the tail. You hold on to the tail so you make sure you're cutting the right side of the loop, and then just cut right in there, and that gives you a perfect loop. If you want to make a wrapped loop, if you use your chain nose pliers, and then grip your loop with the chain nose pliers, and then push the tail around until you get a nice consistent loop. Then when you're happy with your loop, you trim the tail, and if you hold on to it, it can't fly off anywhere. And then if you need to neaten it up, you can just squeeze the end in with your chain nose pliers again. And then to attach the fish hook, you twist the loop on the fish hook open. So, let me see, just open. Attach your loop on. And then twist the loop shut. And that gives you your pair of earrings. And as we've wrapped the loops, they're nice and secure, so they're not going to fall off.